we go to see the working principle of fast breeder reactor. So in this reactor, radioactivity is very fast. So this name is the fast breeder reactor. So we take the uranium 238 in the blanket area, and we take uranium 235 in the core area. This two is a fertile material. This is not fissile material. So fissile material is create the fission process in the reactor. So must we change the fertile material to fissile material. So we give some spark to the uranium 238 and uranium 235. So we change uranium 238 to the plutonium and change uranium 235 to the thorium. So plutonium and thorium 2 is a fissile material. So we take the fission in the process by using the fissile material. So in the fission process, generate more heat in the reactor and produce the more neutron also. So must we control the neutron? So we use the control rod to control the neutron. But in this reactor, we not using the moderator. So much more neutron not controlled in the reactor. So we use the sodium coolant. So sodium coolant go to the reactor. Sodium also high specific capacity. So sodium absorb more heat in the reactor. So absorbed more heat sodium is go to the internal heat exchanger. So sodium also property also it's a more thermal conductivity. So heat is transferred to the sodium potassium NaK. So NaK also good specific capacity. So it's also take the heat from the sodium. So heated sodium potassium NaK go to the steam generator. So in this steam generator we give the water. So water take the heat from the NaK. So water is change the steam. So that steam is go to the turbine. So turbine blade is rotated by using the steam force. So turbine is connected by using the coupling to the generator. So generator rotated and also produce the current. So the remaining steam is go to the condenser. So condenser is condenser steam, and steam is change the water. So this change water is go to the feed pump. So why we change the steam to the water? Because directly we put the steam to the generator. Steam is not take much more heat. So we change the water. So water take more heat from the NaK. So we give the water to the feed pump. So feed pump is pressurized water to the steam generator. So why we use the feed pump in this area? Because pressurized water is that take more heat. So we give the pressure to the water. So in this reactor we using the internal heat exchanger. So why we use the internal heat exchanger? Because in the sodium also take the more neutron, but sodium is not take much more neutron, but also contain the neutron in the sodium. So we directly give the sodium to the steam generator. So more neutron come to the steam generator. So the radioactivity problem is produced in the steam generator and turbine. So worker is working the turbine, that time problem is produced. So first we give the sodium to the internal heat exchanger and take the heat by NaK. So we reduce the neutron level in this area, in this steam generator. So that purpose we using the internal heat exchanger. So this is a working principle of fast breeder reactor.